Guys, what I'm going to do, instead of dragging out a cord, it's raining out and everything, we're going to demonstrate the Deeno. And I'm going to cut out a couple shelves that we got in here that we're going to put up over the sink.
And what's cool is it shows on here how long that it'll last at the current usage.
Yeah.
And it's showing hopping between 4 and 5 hours. So if you
Just
was running that
Oh
solid, it lasts quite a while.
That's all I work in a day anyway.
I don't think you work solid all day either.
Oh my goodness.
Oops.
Let me mark that first. I'm going to put a slot in here for her little plates to stand up with. How long do you want that slot?
Just all the way. You can just do it all the way across that.
You all the way?
Just, yeah, that center piece.
Oh, okay.
That's the easiest. Looks beautiful.
I'll pass out if I keep doing that.
Now we need a good
How about
sanding job on it, right?
that? Yep.
I bet I know whose job that is.
I got another shelf to do. You ready?
Yep.
That works. Guys, this is really what makes a woman happy. When you put a shelf up.
I can put my pretty plates up there. I still have to stain it.
They do that right there.
Looky there. Excited.
Looks good. I like it up there. I didn't know if I'd like that double shelf, but it looks good.
I didn't know if I would or not either, but I do like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the other one over there. We're going to take it down and she's going to sand it. Notice she's going to sand that real quick.
I about got it.
All right.
That took a while because that was really rough.
Mm-hmm.
How much we got left? Did both our shelves and made a breakfast, and we still have 66%. That's pretty good.
Yeah, we was running 2 rigs part of the time too.
Yep.
All right.
Definitely get some work done with that.
Yeah. Well, it's so easy. I don't have to get an extension cord out.
Even on a rainy day when you don't have any solar, you can still do work for
Quite a while.
Of the day.
Yeah.
Brief little bit of sun is probably not enough to make these work, but we wanted to show you these Deeno solar panels, and we really are excited about these. These are some of the nicest ones that we've had. We've tried out quite a few different brands, but what is really nice about these is that they are waterproof. You can fully submerge them down to a meter deep for an hour and it won't run them. So you say, why would you want to do that? Well, what if you go camping and you leave your solar panels out to recharge, and of course this has to be in your tent or whatever so it don't get rained on, but if a rainstorm comes up it won't run them. So it's really nice. But anyway, these probably won't have enough sun to really give you a good demo, but this is all we're supposed to get for the next week or so. It's been super rainy. These hook up just like all the other ones. They're really easy. Can't really do it wrong. Red to red, black to black. And then the little barrel plug just goes right here in the front. And it turns on automatically when you plug it in to charge. Anyway, we really like those. They're some of our favorite ones. Super easy to use, and they're made to go with this Deeno. Of course, you can use them on any of your other power stations too, but we highly recommend them. Okay, well, a lot of times we get power outages here up in the woods, and so what do you do if you get up and you don't have any power? Fits nicely on the counter. It's really small. Turn it on. And as you guys know, I am no good without my coffee. Turn the AC on. One thing that's really nice about these, they're not a very large power pack, and you may wonder, well, why did they do something that has just a little over 1,000 watt hours, but you can draw like 1,500 watts on it, or a surge of 3,000. Well, the really nice part about that is, if you have a situation like this pulls 1,100 watts. If I had a smaller surge amount available, I wouldn't be able to make coffee. And you don't run your high-powered items very often for a long period of time. I'm not going to sit here and make coffee for an hour. So we'll see how she does. This will take a little bit of time, so while I'm doing that, I'm going to get the waffles ready to go. Not gonna run them at the same time because these are both real high powered items. And as you can see, it's pulling 1120 watts. So if this was only 1,000 watt capacity,
it wouldn't work.
Probably wouldn't work on my Keurig. You
Yeah.
have to figure out another way to make coffee. In the same way as some of your higher powered tools. I'm only going to run this for a few minutes. Another thing that's really nice about these is it shows you the amount of time left. If, like right now.
Can we see that?
Yeah. If
there
I
you
was
go.
running it constantly at 1123, it shows that I'd have 49 minutes left. So it'd run it almost an hour even at a high wattage appliance like that.
So that's a nice feature.
Yeah.
Okay, we just wanted to let you know some of the things it'll charge, like a cell phone. It'll charge your cell phone up to like 89 times. Other things that it'll run, like TV, it'll run it 14 hours. Things like the car refrigerator, 16 to 32 hours. If you're on a CPAP machine, it'll run that too, 21 to 25 hours. And like a regular refrigerator, it'll run 7 to 14 hours, probably depending on how big it is. But we encourage you to go to our video description page for a link to the sale price, and it's $300 off. And then a discount code will give you another 6% off. So that makes the final price $751 and that's good until December 31st, 2022. So you don't have long to do it. So a good price on those. There comes the coffee. Oh yeah, gotta have your coffee in the morning.
Yes. Won't get any work out of me if I don't have my coffee in the morning.
Right?
I wouldn't get any work out of you either, would I?
Right.
Okay, that's only pulling 2 watts now, so I can probably go ahead and do the toaster. We'll give it a try.
Yeah, you can run them both at the same time.
No.
Because that's 581. 570.
Not during the heating cycle, at least.
Yeah.
And this also has some patented technology in it, but basically what it does is it makes the unit a lot safer to use, so it won't overheat. The fans and everything come on. It has 2 fans in it, so the fans can come on and off to keep it cool. And it also has a fireproof, fire-resistant case on the outside. So they really put a lot of work into the safety factors of these to make it really, you feel comfortable having it in your home.